This is Laura Robles with Walters Gardens, and I'm here today to tell you about a brand new genus for the Proven Winners brand. You can see one example in front of me. This is Delosperma. It's never been in the brand before, so this is otherwise known as hardy ice plant, and we're going to have 4 new colors. The one that you see here is called Orchid Flash, and it's this beautiful kind of bright lavender pink color. Now we're here next to Razzle Dazzle, which is another new color in the series. This is a fantastic, super bright color. Kind of has a tricolor look with orange going to kind of a raspberry and then almost a bluish in the center. Such a bright color. I have this one planted in my garden at home, and my stepdaughter was over the other day and she actually stopped in her tracks and was like, is that even a real plant or is that a fake flower? Cool thing about Delosperma, it makes a fantastic ground cover. You can see here it only grows to about a height of 2 to 4 inches or so, and then it'll spread gradually up to about 2 feet, so it makes a nice little ground cover patch. This variety is called Pink Radiance. This is the lightest color in the series. You can see it's kind of a nice pastel pink, and then it does have a little bit deeper pink coloration in the center, and when the flowers are closed, you can see also that they're a little bit darker pink color. Interesting thing about Delosperma is that it does open its flowers only in the sun, so they'll close up at night and they'll also close up if it's a cloudy day. I'm sitting here next to Razzle Dazzle again in another spot in our garden just to show you a cool way to use these plants. So Delosperma are a plant that likes well-drained soil. They're kind of a succulent leaf, and they like heat also. So this is an example of using them in a crevice garden, which is kind of a style of rock gardening where you can either use kind of diagonally laid stones, or in this case we actually use some concrete pieces that came from the foundation of a house that we raised. So just a really cool way to use these plants in your landscape. And last but not least, the last member of the Kaleidoscope collection is Dancing Embers. Nice bright orange, nice large flowers too. So 4 new colors in the Kaleidoscope series coming to retail garden centers near you next spring.